sucked it in. Juice. What's going on, everybody? It's the boy Verge on the Verge. Maybe just put the boat in the water. It's gonna get real windy today around 10 o'clock, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get some fishing in before then, and then hit the river after that. Before we dive into this video, I want to give a couple shout outs. If you need boat work, live bait, tackle, gear, anything, if you're at Marine San Antonio, Texas, they'll lace you up. Also, shout out to Duck Camp. They sent me a dope care package. This is what I'm wearing right now. Hoodie, a nice rain jacket, which I really needed because I'm always getting wet. And these pants, some dope pants. So we rocking that today. And let's see what we can pull out the water today. Choo! Okay, so I messed up on the whole first half of the day. I accidentally recorded it all in time lapse, which is a bummer because we did have a good first half of the day and caught a lot of good fish. But it's okay. Let's get into the frog fishing. All right, fellas, this is getting a little windy over here. So we're gonna go ahead and then go hit the river where it's less windy at. So try that and see how we do. Good one too. Off the frog? Yeah. That's a good one too, Dave. Bring him in, buddy.
That's what I said. First challenge on the frog. Yeah?
Yeah, of course. Frog. That should go strong. Damn, Daniel, there's another one on the frog.
Dude, he clapped it, son. He choked it. They choked it. Choked it.
It's crazy how they hit the frog over here like that.
Thank you, buddy.
You saw him coming out, or he just hit it like?
I saw him come. I saw the wake. You know what it is?
No.
It's a gentle, soft twitch. Just bounce back and forth like we caught a couple on this way. We'll go that side, come back this way, and then stop this way, and then come back this way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get the water with you. Oh. Got him.
What?
Oh. It was a little one though, because I told you just let it settle. And then
my frog, I think it's my frog, bro. They like that shape. It's the shape or something. Like,
bro. Oh.
I'm switch frogs up.
Oh, I'm on the edge.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and switched up my frog. Daniel caught like 3 of them already on something similar, so let's see if this works. Oh my gosh, Daniel, another one. That's crazy though. Daniel got another one off the frog. Licks 4. Yes, sir.
Slow.
That's crazy, bro. I haven't caught one yet, man. I'm trying to get me one on the frog. I haven't caught a frog this year yet. A frog cat, so they're hitting, man. So hopefully I can get one. Oh, yep. I felt like it. Oh yeah. He's a good one. Yes. Frog fishing. Perfect hook. Perfect hook. Sheesh. Out of the shallows over there where I love this shit. So I just caught my first frog fish of 2021. The main lake was way too windy, you know what I'm saying? We caught what we caught over there. Decided to come here in the river, which we usually have a tougher time fishing, but it's crazy right now. They're just hitting top water, hitting the frog, man. So let's keep at it. That's a good one. That's a good one. You just said there's another one there.
Yep. No, let go.
Damn. That was a good one.
Yeah, I crushed it, dude.
Yeah, he did.
Crushed it.
Yes, sir. He just sucked it in. He just sucked it in, bro. He's big.
Yes, sir, dude. Oh, he's a monster.
Oh! He chucked it. Ay.
A monster.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about, Verge.
It's my biggest frog fish.
That's what I'm talking about, right?
Just slurped it.
I told you, dude. They're all up in the...
Just slurped it. Slurpty derpty.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Bro, he just sucked it. You
Yeah,
just.
that's all I heard was I even turned around like, what the?
Good thing I put a double Palomar knot on my frogs always, because I gave it to him on that hook set, and it held up. Man, it's crazy windy out here in the river. Still throwing frogs. That's all we've been throwing is frogs. We didn't have some good luck. Got him. Good one. Right up under the tree. Nice. Yes, sir. Nose piercing? Yes, sir. Felt good hearing that noise again. Got him. A good one. That's a good one too. Oh, that's a big one, bro.
Get him.
Big one. It's a big one, bro.
Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Hoo, hoo. Oh yeah, he's a big one, bro. There he is.
No.
No! Damn, bird goes the song. Oh, like
Got us a double up real quick. Yes, sir. Look at that. It's a good little fiver. We were about to call it a day. The boat room's right there. And I guess we can end it off with that, with the double up, huh? Or should we keep casting back in there? Casting back in there. All right, good. Check that out. They're choking the top.